Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off sleep capsule or sleep timer on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and for your information, mine is Samsung Galaxy phone, so this tutorial is especially for Samsung Galaxy user. But for you who are not Samsung Galaxy user, don't worry because the step is similar to the other phones. You can call it sleep capsule or sleep timer feature on your Android mobile phone. Okay, and first of all guys, I'm going to go to the settings, and then I'm going to go to the modes and routines right here, and then we're going to go to the sleep. For you who are not a Samsung Galaxy user, you can just go to the search menu on your setting, and you can search for sleep timer or sleep capsule. Okay, and I'm going to go to the modes and routines, select sleep. And here we just need to click on turn on to activate the sleep capsule or sleep timer. And I'm just going to click on turn on. Okay, and now the sleep capsule or sleep timer has been activated. Okay, and then if you want to disable the sleep timer or sleep capsule, you just need to click on this button. Okay, and then wait. I'm going to try to use this feature, turn on automatically, and I'm going to set the schedule. I'm going to click on sleep schedule right here, and then I'm going to set it, for example, from 11 p.m. until 6 a.m. Okay, and then when the sleep time is over, you will get an alarm, and you can set the alarm here, and then I'm just going to click on save. Okay, and when we set this feature, the sleep capsule or sleep timer will be activated automatically according to the schedule, and I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, so now my sleep timer is off. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn on or turn off sleep capsule or sleep timer on Android mobile phone, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!